Hey everybody, just going to do a quick video showing an installation of a Horn Blasters Conductor's Special 544 Nightmare Edition. This is with the Shocker XL horns. It's one of their loudest horns. I think the only one louder than this would be the actual train horn, which would be a Nathan K5LA. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is going to show how basically you can install one of these on a 1964 Lincoln Continental Convertible. So far, we found a spot to mount the horns. It's most likely going to go here. We've got 3 of them in so far. I know it's a little bit dark. There you go. That's 1, 2, and the third one is right there. It's a total of 4 horns. So the 4th one is probably going to go up here. We wanted to mount it behind the grill, but that's posing some issues because of some space issues back there. We're also going to be putting some netting on the fronts of the horns to prevent debris from going in there. So that's that. We'll keep you updated in the next video. The actual compressor and the tank are going to go in the trunk. Now, if you're familiar with these cars, have very limited space in the trunk because the top actually folds into the trunk. So, but it will fit, and I'll post that on the next video. You'll see how this compressor and this 2-gallon tank will go in there. This kit actually comes with a 5-gallon tank, but we had to send that back and get a smaller one from Horn Blasters. So right now we're having some fitment issues because these don't fit. So we're gonna get the proper ones for that and get that all situated. I'll post another video, like I said, with the next steps and some more updates for you guys, but just wanted to share that, give a quick update on this car. It's gonna be really loud, and yeah, it's gonna blow some eardrums, so we'll let you know.